Hello, dear children. So, how are you all? And today is the new topic that is it's wedding times. Yeah. What a nice no, children's when marriage in our home, somebody, our brother, and anyone in your home getting married. So what a nice moments. So many guests came and what a nice enjoyments children. So many arrangements will be there. Right. So today children's same like Nazali's families also. There will be what? There will be wedding of Nazali's elder cousin brother is getting married. Yes, children. So, all of you, dear children, see the video up to the last. There will be very nice thing we discuss in this video. So, really, children's, when the marriage is organized in our home, so we need to arrange many things. So from many days we have purchasing many items for marriage, right, childrens? And there is a special food also cooked. And what a nice children! Many family members, relative, they will come, and a new family member added in our family. Yes, so this is what we today discuss, children. In Nazali's family same thing has happened. What happened in Nazali's family, all of you watch this video up to the last, children, so that you get a proper idea what happens in Nazali's family in this video. So all of you see the video up to the last. There will be the question also for you, so see the video up to the last, children's. We already discussed students about two children's family, that is one is Nimi family and one is Swearing's families. So what changes students you are observe in their families, we already discussed in the last part 1 video. And today we are going to discuss Nazli family. What changes happens in Nazli family, we will discuss in this video, students. So watch this video, and at the last we discuss few question answer. So very proper attentions. You watch this video, students. So see, students, it's a wedding. There is a great joy in Nazli home today. Her elder cousin brother, point to be noted, student, is getting married. This is bride. So, and this small girl is Nazli, and this one is bride, Nazli's sister-in-law. Okay, so and whose marriage there? Elder cousin brother. So this one is the picture you see. Here is Nazli's sister-in-law, and this one is bridegroom. Okay, and do you think that there will be any change in Nazli family after this wedding? Of course, what will change? Can you tell me, students? You see here in this picture, Nazli's sister-in-law and there is Nazli, elder cousin brother is there. Recently married. Okay, and yes, there will be a change in Nazli family after um after this wedding. A new member will start to live with Nazli family. Nazli will get a new sister-in-law. Okay, dear student. So that is a change has happened in Nazli family. So that is the question. Do you think that there will be any change in Nazli family after this wedding? So what will change? So of course there is change. So you right answer. Yes, there will be change in Nazli family after this wedding. Okay. Do you think there will be changes in the home from where the new bride has come? What kind of changes? What will be the answer of this? Yes, they will get a new family member as bridegroom, but they have to see of their daughter. Okay, So talk to your mother and aunts in the family. Ask them about where they lived before they got married. Okay, and draw some picture in your notebook. Then look at the pictures drawn by your classmates. So like this, some questions is there, students. So let's see the first questions. So a new member came in their family. All of them enjoyed a lot on the eve of marriage. So that is the first questions. You can write like this. What kind of a special food is cooked? Sweets, pulaus, puri. 5 types of vegetable were cooked on the eve of marriage. What special? Now see, students, few questions. Talk to your classmates and write all about what happens during weddings in their families. So, what kind of a special food is cooked in at the time of wedding? Okay, students, what special clothes do the bride and bridegroom wear? What kind of songs and dances are performed at weddings? So, what did you see at the wedding that you have attended? Draw some picture in your notebook. Then look at the pictures drawn by your classmates. So, like this, some questions is there, students. So let's see the okay, students. So like that. So look at there, students. Few pictures of wedding. Okay. So students, see, marriage in family. When a girls or a boy in a family gets married, a new member is added to the family, as we get an idea. So this new member is called the son-in-law or the daughter-in-law. Okay, students. So we get an ideas about Nazli family, that her elder cousin brother getting married. So that's what many changes happen, and changes are a part of life, children's. Okay, so this is what the changes happen in every's family. You can observe. Okay, Nazli's family. Now, children's, look at one video of Jia. Very nicely, everyone watch this video.
No, Zia, we did not have many facilities for taking photos at that time. But I do have pictures of your parents' wedding. Would you like to see them?
Yes, Grandpa. Sure.
Look at this old picture of your parents.
Wow. Both of them look so different.
This photo was taken a few months after their wedding. So much had changed after your mother's marriage.
What had changed, Grandpa?
Have you seen anyone's wedding in your family? What do you think? What changes take place in families after marriage?
On the one hand, my house seemed empty. On the other hand, a new member came to your father's house. Your parents' generation were moving forward in their life, and then a new generation started with your birth. And I also became a grandpa.
Generation? Grandpa, what is this generation?
Generation. Like your father and uncle belong to one generation, and you to another generation. Well, let me explain it to you by making a family tree.
Huh? Family tree. What's that? I have never seen any such tree before.
Do you know how to make a family tree? Let's learn how to make a family tree along with Zia. Grandpa made a family tree which looks something like this.
Wow! Grandpa, the family tree has come out so nicely. Everyone in our family is there.
See, your grandpa is so intelligent.
Yes, of course. I will show this family tree to Mummy and Daddy today.
Yes, you should show them. Now, will you go to the park with me and see a family of real trees?
Oh, let's go, Grandpa. Come on, Bobo. You also come with us.
Grandpa, Zia, and Bobo set off to go to the park.
So, childrens, you can ask your grandmother or grandfather and draw a family tree of your own family. Okay, childrens? Now let's see some question, childrens, and solve it very nicely in your class or copy.